the ball that bounces at your feet. C is for the cat who purrs and curls up tight. D is for the dog who wags his tail with delight. E is for the elephant, so big and gray. F is for the fish who swim in the bay. G is for the giraffe who stretches up so high. H is for the house where you live and sigh. I is for the igloo, cold and icy blue. J is for the jacket that keeps you warm and new. K is for the kite that flies up in the air. L is for the lion with a mane that's golden fair. M is for the mouse who scurries out of sight. N is for the nest where birds take flight. O is for the ocean, vast and deep and wide. P is for the penguin who waddles with pride. Q is for the queen who wears a crown so fine. R is for the robot who beats and shines so divine. S is for the sun who shines so bright and bold. T is for the tiger with stripes that never grow old. U is for the umbrella that keeps you dry and neat. V is for the violin that plays a sweet retreat. W is for the whale who swims in the ocean blue. X is for the X-ray that shows what's inside of you. Y is for the yo-yo that goes up and down.